oil, with a little bit of ghee also. Then I have done this after 10 minutes. I have moved it, and then I'm putting the elaichi also getting inside so that it might mix up. So they are mashing with masher, and then afterwards another way I'll do it. So watch till the end, friends. All in one way, this everything, mashing, smashing, everything. Watch till the end. Now I'll add in the jaggery. Something to see what it is. Ghee also I've added. There it is not running properly, so I have to miss it. So I have on the gas and now I am melting this. And I'm just doing all everything. Now I'm just going to go into the chana to do it in a better way, to mash it very well. So I gave this to my children also. Mash this, watch till the end, friends. This thing in the same place so that the one that is not in the vessel. The other one. So this way mashed. See your cup match it now. Your hands are the same. So you can give your children to do it. Now I need this dough with salt and a little bit of turmeric and salt. Salt, turmeric and a little bit of ghee also. So also can do that. After mashing it, after doing the dough, I kept it aside with the cloth. Now I'm doing the chapati, Puran Poli. First I do the chapati, so yeah, I'm feeling happy with it. Now I will do all of this balls. I make the balls and keep so to be very worthwhile for me to process it. And I keep aside. So this way I've done all the balls and kept. And roll it off. Rolling also I'll do in a different way. So you see if you can how I do it. Very unique way I've done. So these are the balls of the Puran. I am making it. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like it, subscribe my video. Now I'm filling it off. This I made one and showed you. The rest also I'll do and keep. Now I'm rolling this not with the roller but with the hand of it. So you can see how I'm doing it in a simple way. Lots of ghee I've added in it. Okay, so we require lots of ghee, I can see. I made one chapati just not to waste my gas. So that's the way I utilize my things. Ready. Now I will shake it off, roast it on my tawa. See so well it is done. This way I will do all of the rest. Same method. I will not roll any of them, just put it onto this tawa. There it is one chapati which I made with the tawa released. So now I'll just pull it off. Another spatula. Yes, this is the way. And I'll add the ghee to it. This way I've done another one also. So another one I have done. You can see the other one over here which is left out. And then I have done some in the other way. So this way I have done all the polis. I will put the ghee out in this way. And then the same thing with the others. Taste hot Puran Poli.